Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going on a fun adventure with numbers. We're going to learn how to count all the way from 1 to 20. It's going to be super easy and a lot of fun, so let's get started together. Ready? Let's begin with the very first number. This is 1.1. Like one shiny sun in the sky. Can you say it with me? 1. Great job. After 1 comes 2. Like two happy birds sitting on a branch. Let's say it 2. Next up is 3. Imagine 3 delicious cookies on a plate. Say it loud and proud. 3. After 3, we have 4. Like the 4 wheels on a car. Your turn. 4. And then comes 5.5. You have 5 fingers on one hand. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. You're doing an amazing job. We've counted to 5. Let's keep going. What's after 5? It's 6.6. Like 6 colorful crayons in a box. Say it with me. 6. After 6 comes 7.7. Think of the 7 colors in a beautiful rainbow. Let's say it 7. Next is the number 8.8. An octopus has 8 long arms. Can you say 8? Good. Then we have 9.9. Like 9 bright stars twinkling at night. Let's say it together. 9. And what comes after 9? It's a special one. 10.10. You have 10 fingers on both hands. Let's say it nice and loud. 10. Wow. We've made it all the way to 10. That's halfway there. You're a number superstar. Let's take a quick breath. Okay, are you ready for the next set of numbers? They're a little different, but you'll get the hang of them in no time. After 10 comes 11. 11. It's like 1 and 1 together. 11. Can you say 11? Awesome. Next is 12. 12. There are 12 months in a whole year. Say it with me. 12. Now, for the next few numbers. You'll start to hear a pattern. Listen closely. After 12 is 13. 13. Can you hear the teen at the end? Say 13. Fantastic. After 13 comes 14. 14. You got it. Let's say it. 14. Next is 15. 15. You're getting so good at this. Say 15. We are so close to the end. Let's finish strong. After 15, we have 16. 16. See? There's that teen sound again. Let's all say 16. After 16 is 17. 17. Say it with me. 17. Then comes 18. 18. Almost there. Say it nice and loud. 18. What's next? You guessed it. 19. 19. Let's say it together one more time. 19. And finally, the last number for today. After 19 is 20. 20. Give yourself a big cheer. You did it. Let's do a quick recap and count all the way from 1 to 20 without stopping. Join in with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Minus 1, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are absolutely incredible. You've learned to count all the way to 20 today. Practice makes perfect, so keep counting everything you see around you. Thanks for counting with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.